Another week, another pair of pants. I really think I am cracking the code on getting pants to fit finally. I'm still not quite ready to do a tutorial, but I am planning some content with pants fitting at the forefront, so be sure to stay tuned for that. In the meantime, let's soak in the gorgeousness that I made last week. The pattern is Simplicity 8547. It's from their Amazing Fit collection, which features different pattern pieces for slim, average, and curvy figures. And in terms of pattern alterations, I had to make fewer alterations on this pants pattern than any other I've ever made. So there must be something to the whole idea of starting with a pants pattern made for curvy figures. The biggest alterations I made to the pattern were adding a third dart in the back and changing the J-shaped back crotch curve to more of an L-shaped or angular one. The latter is also referred to as scooping out, and from what I can gather, it's a little controversial. But from what I can tell, if you're making trousers or like loose-fitting pants, it's okay. But if you're making close-fitting pants, you should find another way to get the fit right. The pattern is designed to sit 1.5 inches above your waistline, making them super high-waisted. I know that design is not for everyone, but I really love a high-waisted pant. It's the most comfortable for me with my belly protrusion. Another thing I love about this pattern is the width of the waistband. It's close to 2 inches finished, and that provides a nice substantial anchor for the pant to hang from your waist down. The pants close with a side zip, which is my favorite because it provides such a nice flat seam on the center front and back. It also allows you to contour the center front and back if you need, without having to worry about if the zipper will lay flat or not. Side zips are great for pear shapes. The leg line is great too. They are semi-fitted through the hip and then gently flare out to a really lovely wide leg. The hem is as substantial as the waistband too. This causes there to be a little bit of weight in the bottom of each leg that holds everything nice and straight. Okay, and as always with my pattern review videos, there are a few things that I want to point out that I will be correcting next time. Starting at the top, the waistband is still a little too big. Because the waistband is so high, it hits at an area of the body that's actually quite straight. So I think that the curved waistband that's provided with the pattern is a little bit of overkill. A straight, possibly tapered waistband would stay up better. And because it's so high-waisted, the darts in the back could be a little bit longer. The pockets are next. Could you tell that I have them sewn shut? I did that because they gape open. So unfortunately, I spent all that time to sew pockets and now I can't actually use them. But I took all the proper precautions to ensure the seam line would not stretch out, like stay stitching and interfacing. But because my body is so curvy in that area, it's all but impossible to keep that flat. To fix it, I'd need to redraft the opening of the pocket from more of like a diagonal slash to a curved one. Finally, the crotch hook depth is a little bit too long, especially in the front. It's hard to see with the naked eye because the ease in the hip and thigh do a wonderful job of hiding things like that. But trust me, the hook is too deep. Other than those few things, I am really happy with the way these pants fit. I'm getting really, really close to getting a near perfect fit. And bonus, this pair doesn't have an ounce of elastic either in the form of a stretchy waistband or in the fabric. Yay! Speaking of the fabric, this is the So Classic Executive Suiting from Joann. It's 100% polyester and, quite honestly, perfect for pants. It has a slight sheen to it and a smooth hand. It's a solid medium weight with just enough drape for a wide leg pant. It comes in 6 different colors, including a really pretty blue and a green that would also make gorgeous pants. I've been dreaming of a monochromatic look with pants and a thick sweater, and this brown, which they call soil, would be the most perfect jumping off point for that look. And at just $10 a yard, plus your coupons, it's a no-brainer if you're like me and pants are still somewhat of an experiment. So that's it. That's all I have to say about these new pants. I have a ton of fun outfit and styling options coming for you guys. A little hint, these pants are part of my holiday outfit this year. You guys will be learning a lot about that real soon. So you will be seeing them again, but I do want to make another version before the end of the year. So we'll see how that goes. But that is going to do it for me today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye!